Now this door handle is pretty easy. It just has two mounting screws here. And then the whole thing should come apart. See, the back side's coming off, slipping off. So I just kind of pushed it back up a little bit. That way the back side doesn't fall out on you, let's say. I'm not going to reuse this handle on this door, but I'm going to just pull it apart, set it down here to remember how it goes back together. I'm going to put it back together and I'm going to save it. And I never know when I'm going to need that for another job or something like that. Don't throw it away. If it's still working, you never know when you're going to need it, okay? All right. Slip that out. It's simple as that. Now I can reconnect. I can reconnect all that down there. I'm not going to just throw this stuff around. I'm going to reconnect it, put the screws back in there so it's all held back together. I'm going to do the same thing with the deadbolt. When I take the deadbolt out, I'm going to put it all back together and stuff. I'm just holding the back side so it doesn't fall out of the door. Okay. Slip that out of there. And I'll kind of set that down on the ground so I can put it back together the same direction. Sometimes if you're not keeping track of your deadbolt when you pull it apart, you may have a heck of a time figuring out how the heck does this thing get reinstalled. I had that problem on the front door when I was taking that off to change it to a different an electric door deadbolt that we can do a combination on and stuff. And that was kind of slick. I've got that on my channel too. See here, that right there. You can put a code on it on the back side. Right now I've just got the deadbolt on, and I'm going to leave it. Well, actually, you see there's a keypad on there and stuff. Works out really good. I'll show you how to install that whole thing on another episode. Look for it on my channel. Now, if you can't find that under doors on my channel, under playlist, look under this same area, condo renovations episode, whatever, and you'll see that I included that on there, how to remove the deadbolt, how to install that, and all that kind of stuff, okay? Might come in handy for you. See? I just reattach those screws. I put them in tight. I used to make them loose, and then everything would flop around and stuff, but I put it all back together like that, and then your two little screws for this, you can put those in like that, put a little piece of masking tape around it on both sides or something so that these screws don't get lost, you know, or however you're going to do it to keep these screws so you know where they're at in case you need to use this doorknob again. Okay, doorknob's still in really good shape. It's about I don't know, $85, $90 doorknob. So I'm going to save it for something else on down the road. I'll put that deadbolt together the same way. All right, the moment of truth. Did I eat my Wheaties this morning or not? This probably's going to be heavy. Yeah, no joke, this bad boy's heavy. I'm just gonna lean it down here for right now. I still have to get these hinges off. Let's see if I can lean it up against the wall. Just like that. There you go. Okay, then I can take these hinges off. And then I gotta put screws in the bottom of this door. And I'll do that next.